Listen students, so in chapter 7 stock exchange, this is a very big chapter. The next topic is 7.7 stock exchange versus commodity exchange. That means what are the differences between the stock exchange and the commodity exchange. So the stock exchange is differentiated from the commodity exchange by 9 aspects. First of all, meaning the stock exchange. The name itself implies it is a market for trading in industrial and financial securities. Stock exchange is a market for trading in or trading of industrial and financial securities. And stock exchange is a convenient place for buying and selling of securities in a systematic manner, which means as per the proper guidelines prescribed by Security Exchange Board of India and Indian Securities Contract Regulation Act of 1956. I already told you, stock exchange is always called as share market or stock market. So, stock exchange is a market for trading of financial and industrial securities with strictly followed the prescribed rules and regulations by the SEBI and the Indian Securities Contract Act of 1956. Whereas the commodity exchange means that name itself indicates or implies it is a market for or an exchange where commodities are traded. That is why this exchange is known as commodity exchange. What are the types of commodities are traded in the commodity exchange? There are four types of commodities are exchanged. Namely, first heading is metal, gold, silver and copper. If it is energy category, crude oil and natural gases are exchanged. If it is an agriculture product, means rice, wheat and cotton are traded. Then if it is livestock and meat, means cattle and lean hog are traded in the commodity market. So there are four categories of commodities are traded in the commodity market. That is why this market is called as commodity market. So say in simple, when the securities are traded is called as security market or stock exchange. Where the commodities are traded means that market is called as commodity market. So which is the help of meaning you can differentiate that. Second differentiation is object. What are the object of stock exchange and what are the object of commodity exchange? So the object of stock exchange is capital formation, facilitating the capital formation and making the best use of capital resources. Two important objects. Number one is capital formation. Capital formation means the savings are converted into capital formation or investment. So there are various sources of saving. For example, household savers, public sector savings, and other savings are converted into capital formation by way of their investment. And making the best use of capital resources. Once the resources are idle in one place, and the same resources are abundant in another place. So that should be equalized. That means idle resources should be converted into best use of resources. This is the main object of the stock exchange. So, stock exchange provide an object of facilitating or formation of capital, savings converted into capital formation, and making the best use of capital resources by way of mobilization of resources from where the ideal resources into where the resources are highly required. Then in case of commodity exchange, the object is flow of goods or regular supply of goods or continuous supply of goods by way of reducing of risk or risk reduction. The main object of commodity exchange is regular flow of goods in the market by way of supplying of commodities wherever the consumers required. By this is possible with the help of reducing of risk or risk reduction. So we say in simple, capital formation and best use of capital resources is the main object of stock exchange. Regular and continuous flow of goods or supply of goods in the market to fulfill the satisfaction of consumer needs, to fulfillment of the needs of consumers is the main object of commodity exchange. This can be possible by way of reducing of risk. Then third one, regarding the participants, the stock exchange differentiate the commodity exchange in the aspects of participants. So the most important participants in the stock exchanges are investors, speculators, and the borrowing companies. The main important participants of the stock exchanges are investors, speculators, and the borrowing companies. Whereas in the case of commodity exchange, the participants are the producer of the commodities, dealers, traders, and a group of speculators. Producers of commodities, dealers of exchanging commodities, traders, and the body of speculators. These are all the important participants in the transactions of commodity exchange. Then, period of dealing. Stock exchange following the cash and ready delivery dealing. Number one, cash and ready delivery dealings, and the second one is delivery for account for a fortnight. Two types of dealings. So cash and ready delivery dealing means, so the payment of cash and the transfer of instrument or the security immediately. The settlement will be over by way of the payment and the delivery of instrument on the day itself, on the particular time itself, which is known as ready and cash delivery of transactions. And another transaction is for fortnight dealing. So account for the settlement will be take place within 15 days. Fortnight means within 15 days. The payment of cash and the delivery of instrument will be over, or the settlement will be over within a fortnight. So two types of dealings in case of stock exchange. Number one is cash and ready delivery dealing. That means payment of cash and the transfer of instrument taken place on the particular time itself, immediately. So that is known as cash delivery, ready delivery contract. And another dealing is account for fortnight. The payment of cash and the delivery of instrument or the security take place up to the 15 days. That means fortnight dealing. But in case of commodity exchange, instant and cash dealing like commodity exchange, so like the stock exchange, here also instant and cash dealings are also taken place. And another dealing is future market dealing, which means the settlement are taking place, the payment of cash and the transfer of goods taken place 2 to 3 months. That type of dealings are known as future market dealing. So instant cash dealings and future market dealing. Here take only 15 days. Here the settlement taken place 2 to 3 months. The next one. What are the articles that are traded in the stock exchange? So industrial and financial securities, that means stock, bonds of government securities are traded in the stock exchange. Industrial and financial securities of the government are traded in the stock exchange. It may be in the form of stock, shares and bonds of the government's securities of government. But in case of stock exchange, durable commodities, that means the goods which are having a long life, that is durable commodities. Then graded products. Graded product means high quality product. Then the goods which are having a larger volume of sales. Goods which are having a larger volume of sales. Then the goods, the prices of the commodities which are uncertainty, that means they remain changing, and the goods are supplied by the suppliers, which is an uncontrolled supply of goods. So I repeat once again: durable commodities, graded goods, goods which are having a larger volume of sales, the goods which are the prices of the goods which are uncertainty, the goods are supplied by the supplier which are uncontrolled one. These are the goods traded in the commodity exchange. Here, industrial and financial securities of government are traded. Then point number 6, regarding speculation. So in case of speculation in stock exchange, it ensures the saleability of offering the securities. The securities may be broad securities and ready and continuous market securities, and the security which are possess the liquidity. It ensures in the speculation, or the speculation ensures the sale of these kind of securities. That is the stock exchange offering the broad securities, ready and continuous market securities, and the securities which are having a liquidity level. Then, in case of commodity exchange, the speculation ensures the assumption and absorption of price risk. That means the speculators ready to assume as well as the absorb or face the prices risk. Price means the fluctuations of the price in the market. So assumption and absorption of price risk by the speculators is ensured. Then forward contract. So in case of stock exchange, the forward contract are simplified. Why? Because the securities are fully standardized. The securities which are exchanged in the stock market or share market or the stock exchange are fully simplified or fully standardized. That is why the forward contract are simplified in the stock exchange. The stock exchange, the securities are fully standardized, so the proceedings of future contract are very simple one. But in case of commodity exchange, to facilitate the future contract, the goods are to be standardized for delivery of goods, which means standards are to be fixed for the deliverable goods to facilitate the future contract. If you want to facilitate the future contract, very easy one. It should be only when the standardized goods are to be delivered. That means standards are to be fixed for a deliverable goods. Then only the future contract will be a easiest one. Then cornering, next distinction is cornering. In case of stock exchange, cornering is easy one, because as a seller has ready to deliver the contract or deliver the securities what he has agreed. That means as a seller is ready to deliver the agreed securities to the buyer, so that the cornering is an easy one. But in case of commodity exchange, the cornering is a difficult one, because the seller has different option, whether he has to deliver the standardized goods or the goods which are delivered by others. That is the option to the seller, whether he has to deliver the standardized goods or he has to deliver the other goods what the other competitors ready to deliver the goods, so that the cornering is a difficult one in case of commodity exchange. But in case of stock exchange is an easy one, because the seller has to deliver the agreed securities readily. Then the last one, price quotation. As a forward dealing or a forward contract, there is only one price quotations or one quotation is possible in case of stock exchange. Whereas in the case of commodity exchange, there are more quotations are possible as a forward dealing. Here only one price quotation is possible. Here more quotations are possible as a forward dealings. So these are all the 9 distinction between the stock exchange and the commodity exchange. So you have to write any 5 or 6 if it is asked in the 5-mark question. So it is very important 5-mark question. What are the differences between the stock exchange and the commodity exchange? So identify the features first of all and compare with each and every feature with the stock exchange and the commodity exchange.